The Kinetek Cinematography University is going online. We launch with the basic cinematography syllabus, comprised of 29 specialized films, covering in great detail everything you would need to know to form a solid foundation to start a career as a cinematographer. If you are already working in the field, this syllabus covers such a wide spectrum of subjects, it will fill in any gaps you may have missed during your apprenticeship. Or if you like to know what goes into making a movie, this syllabus studies the art and science of cinematography and its process in extreme depth. Priceless knowledge, precisely and effectively put across in a clean, clear, entertaining and easy to understand manner, with clear graphics, demonstrations and behind-the-scenes footage that takes the student all the way from novice to competent cinematographer, with downloadable content and graduation certificates upon completion. Click the link below and see what syllabus fits you best.